If you have ever experienced a problem whilst winding your bobbin using your Singer sewing machine, then you will know just how frustrating it can be. The most common problem I face is when my bobbin is on the bobbin winding spindle and we're halfway through winding the bobbin and it stops. And I'm going to just put my hand on the presser plate and I'm going to show you what I mean. So we're going to apply some pressure. But the bobbin is not winding. This can be super frustrating when we're trying to fill up the bobbin ready for sewing, but I have found an easy solution to the problem. This is the bobbin stopper, and what we have to do is we have to adjust the bobbin stopper slightly and move it away from the bobbin winding spindle by twisting it. I twist it in an anti-clockwise direction away from the bobbin winding spindle, and then now we can see that there's a small gap between the bobbin and the bobbin stopper. If we now apply pressure to the foot plate, then the bobbin should start spinning and should continue to wind. Let's give it a try. By moving the bobbin stopper out slightly, it will now allow the bobbin to continue filling until the bobbin holder is full, and then we're ready to use that in our Singer sewing machine to carry on with our sewing projects. If you found this video useful, then please check out my other videos in the Singer Promise series, which is listed in the description below, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video.